Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Omniconvert to personalize e-commerce product recommendations, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Omniconvert, begin by visiting the official Omniconvert website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to redirect to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field below your email. Ensure that both the email and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. After entering your email, check your inbox for a password reset email and follow the instructions provided. If you have successfully entered your email and password, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Omniconvert dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, as it will be crucial for personalizing product recommendations. To access the product recommendation features, navigate to the Products section in the side menu. Click on Product Recommendations to start setting up personalized suggestions. Here, you can configure various settings to tailor recommendations to your audience. Adjust the parameters based on customer behavior and preferences for effective personalization. After configuring the settings, save your changes to implement the product recommendations. You can now monitor how well the personalized recommendations are performing in the Analytics section. Regularly review and adjust the settings as needed to optimize engagement and conversion rates. With these steps, you are now equipped to log into Omniconvert and personalize your e-commerce product recommendations effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.